Good morning, children. Let us see question number 6 of exercise 9.1. It states that a 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. What is this? A 1.5-meter tall boy. What is this? This is your ground. What is this? This is the ground. A 1.5 meter tall boy. This is boy 1.5 meter. Write down. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. 30-meter tall building. Building is like this. This building is how much height? The height of the building is 30 meter. Okay. Here building that is perpendicular. Building is perpendicular. This is like this. So a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing. Look at the question. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. What is the height of this building? Height of this building is how much? It is 30 meter. This is 30 meter. Okay, children. And now the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. The angle of from his eyes. Where is the eye of the boy, tall boy? The angle of children. Look at here. The angle of elevation from his eyes. Whose eyes? From the eyes of boy. Angle of elevation. See, the boy is, look at here. The boy is standing over here. So his eyes will be over here. This is 1.5 meter tall boy. Clear. Angle of elevation. Clear. What is this? The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. From his eyes, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. That is this one. To the top of the building. That is what? This one. Okay, children. This is actually straight line. Children, make it very clear. This is a straight line. Okay. This is 1.5. Now see, this is angle of elevation. This is line of sight. Observer is what? Standing. Observer's eye is over here. So at the same time, what is this? This is line of sight. And there will be a horizontal line. That is what? There will be a horizontal line in this way. Okay. Is there any doubt? So here, what is this? Figure is very much important. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. From his eyes to the top of the building. Clear? Is how much? The building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. This is 30 degree now. And increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Boy is standing here. Clear? After some time, boy will reach over here. After some time, the boy is walking towards the foot of the building, towards the building. So after some time, the boy will reach over here, and this height will also be 1.5 meter. Clear? So this see from here. See this angle increases from 30 degree to 60 degree, and it is now 60 degree. Is there any doubt? So the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. As he walks towards the building means find the distance he walked towards the building. Find the distance means how much distance he walked towards the building. Clear? Did you understand? Means this distance we have to find out. At the beginning, the boy's eye was here. Clear? After some time, the boy reached over here. It is also 1.5. Okay. And now at this point, the angle of elevation from here to the top of the same building, clear, it increases from 30 degree to 60 degree because the inclination angle increased. Okay. Now we have to find out the distance traveled by the boy towards the building. Okay, let us give the name to this. Let it be A. This is the top A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is what? This is, let it be This is what D, this is E, this is F, and this is G. Look at here. Is there any doubt? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now, children, let us start. What we have to find out? We have to find out this, the distance traveled by the boy towards the building. What is given? This is very much important question. Where it is so often asked in the examination. What is given over here? Did you understand the figure? Clear figure is very much important, children. Here, what is given? Let A be, let AC equal to, AC is, let AC equal to 30 meter be the building, building and what, and EF, EF equal to how much? EF equal to BC, right? EF equal to BC equal to 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter be the height of the boy. Okay, children. Now and also angle, what? Angle AFB, angle AFB, AFB equal to 30 degree. Angle AGB, angle AGB equal to 60 degree. Okay, children, this is the figure. Okay, now what else? Now this what we have to find? What we have to find, children? We have to find the distance traveled by the boy towards the building. We have to find out what FG distance we have to find out. Clear? At the beginning, the boy's eye was here. Clear? After some time, clear, it reached, as he walks towards the building. Clear? He reached to the G, and angle of elevation from this point is 60 degree. Clear? So FG we have to find out the distance traveled by the boy towards the building, that is what? That is FG. That is FG equal to question mark we have to find out. Okay, children, let us solve. Okay, children, here. Let us, children, here. Clear, children? Here what? Here AC equal to 30 meter. That is given. Okay, this implies that, children, AB equal to AB. Look at the figure. AC equal to what is this? Here this is also 90 degree. Here AC equal to 30 meter tall building. This implies that AB equal to this is 1.5. This is 1.5. So this will also be 1.5 from here to here. From here to here it will be 1.5. Am I right? This is 1.5. Okay, children. This will be 1.5. This is also 1.5 because this is the rectangle. Okay. So here this implies that AB equal to, what will be the distance? AB equal to AC minus BC. Okay, AB equal to AC minus BC. This implies that AB equal to, AC is what? AC is how much? 30 30 meter minus BC is what? BC, it is given EF equal to BC equal to 1.5 meter. Since you can write down, since BC equal to EF equal to 1.5 meter, this implies that AB equal to 30 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is 28.5. Is there any doubt? You can subtract it like from here, 30.0 and this 1.5. Look at here, 10 minus 5 equal to 5.9 minus 1 equal to 8, and this is 2 is remain 28.5. Okay, this is now the 28.5 meter. So I want to say that this distance from here to here, it is how much? It is 28.5 meter. From where? From here to here. From here to here, it is now, it is how much? 28.5. How? 30 minus 1.5 from here to here, I want to say. Is there any doubt? So now AB equal to 28.5. Now, okay children, now your problem is solved. This is the important thing. This is the turning point in the question. That if you have found out AB to be 28.5 meter, then there will not be any problem now. Now let let us make this, let BG equal to, let EC equal to BF. EC equal to BF. EC and BF will be same. BF equal to X meter, and BG equal to DC. BG equal to DC equal to Y meter. Clear? Even see children, even if you don't take it XY, clear, you can find out. Clear? Otherwise, see, this is for your convenience that you assume it X and Y. Now now in triangle what? AFB, in triangle AZB, in triangle ABZ, angle B equal to 90 degree. Is there any doubt? In triangle ABZ I am talking about. Okay, in triangle ABG, angle B equal to 90 degree. This implies that tan 60 degree equal to what? Tan 60 degree equal to what is tan theta? Perpendicular upon base, that is means AB upon BZ. Am I right? AB upon BZ. Okay, this implies that tan 60 degree equal to √3 equal to AB is given to be 28.5 upon what is BG? BG we have assumed to be Y meter. Okay, that is Y. So this is what? √3 equal to this, √3 equal to this one. This implies that by transposing, you can write it down as Y equal to 28.5 upon √3, and this is equation number 1. Is there any doubt, children? Y equal to 28.5 upon √3. Clear? This is equation number 1, right? Again in triangle, which one? Bigger triangle. In triangle ABF. Again in triangle ABF, angle B equal to 90 degree. This implies that, let us move to the next part of the board. That is here, children, this bigger triangle we are talking about now. What? Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, children, try to understand. Tan 30 degree equal to same thing. Look at here, tan 30 degree equal to same thing, perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BF. Clear? This bigger triangle I am talking about. So that is AB upon BF. Okay. What is the value of tan 30 degree? 1 upon under root 3 equal to AB is given to be 28.5 upon BF. That is what is BF? BF we have taken to be what? BF we have taken to be x. This distance we have taken to be x meter. Okay, here we have written BF x. And what is BG to be y? BG is y over here. Okay, children, right? BG we have taken over here by y. Clear? And this BF we have taken BF equal to EC equal to x meter. Total is x and this is y. Is ironed out. So here AB upon BF equal to, here BF equal to, what is BF? AB upon BF. BF equal to x we have taken. Is there end out? BF equal to x. Is there end out? So this implies that, children, this implies that, what is this? This implies that x equal to 28.5 root 3 by cross multiplication. This is equation number 2. Okay, children. Clear? So x equal to, by cross multiplication, 28.5 under root 3. Okay. What is ultimately we have to see? We have to ultimately find out what FG we have to find out. We have to find out FG means distance traveled by the boy from the beginning to the point G. Okay. Now FG equal to, FG, children, look at here. FG equal to what? FG equal to BF. FG equal to BF minus BG. BF minus BG. Okay. FG, this distance FG, clear, equal to BF, that is the total distance BF minus BG. This implies that FG equal to what is BF? BF is given to be x. Clear? And minus BG is we have assumed to be y. Okay, FG equal to x minus y. Clear? Now put the values. This implies that FG equal to what is x? X is 28.5 under root 3 minus y. What is y? 28.5 upon root 3. 28.5 upon root 3. Is there any doubt? So from 1 and 2. Here we have put the values from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have put. This implies that, children. This implies that now FG equal to, this is, look at here, this is 28.5 root 3 means 28.5 upon 1. Okay. So root 3 into root 3 we will multiply it. That is 28.5 multiplied by 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. Is there any doubt? No doubt is there. This implies that FG equal to, see, 28.5 is taken out as common, 3 is remained, here 1 is remained, upon root 3. This is equal to what? This is equal to 28.5 multiplied by 2 upon root 3. Right? This implies that FG equal to this, multiply it, 2 5 is 10, clear, 1 is carry over, 2 8 is 16 and 1 17, and 1 is carry over, 2 2 is 4 and 1 5, that is 57.0 upon root 3, which is equal to what? This is 57 upon root 3. Clear, children? Now 57 upon root 3, you can what? Rationalize the denominator. That is equal to 57 multiplied by root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. This is equal, this implies that FG equal to 57 root 3 upon 3. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 19 is 3 1 is 3, 2 is remainder, and 3 9 is 27, that is 19 root 3. Okay, this implies that FG equal to 19 under root 3. Okay children, what unit? That is meter. So what is FG? So the distance traveled by the boy. This implies that the distance traveled by the boy towards the building equal to FG equal to 19 under root 3 meter. That is your answer. Okay children, so this was a big question and this is very much important. I tell you, clear, it is most often asked in your examination. Clear? And I hope this is not at all difficult here. See, your figure is very much important here. See, if you have found the value of AB correctly, that is AB equal to AC minus BC. Here this step is very much important. AB equal to AC minus BC. Clear? Then clear, you can solve it very nicely. Now let us move to the next question children. That is what is the next question? That is question number 7. Question number 7. Let us move to the question number 7. Go through the question. That is question number 7 states that from a point on the ground, see, from a point on the ground, the angles of from a point on the ground, this is the ground, take a point. Clear? The angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower, clear, fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. Clear? There is, see, this is a point on the ground. Clear? And children, look at here, this is the ground level. Clear? Here there is a 20-meter high building. That is the angle of elevation of the top, bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter. One building is there. What is there? 20-meter high building is there. What is this? This is a 20-meter high building. Okay. Clear children? This is a building and on the top of the building there is a transmission tower fixed. Now there is a transmission tower on the building, on the top of the building. Did you understand? Now see what does the question state? The angle of elevation, see, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. See, this is the ground level. See, here ground level means your observer is sitting. Observer is sitting from the bottom and the top, means like this, from the bottom of transmission tower. See, up to here it is building. Up to here it is building. This is 20 meter. Up from here to here this is building. Its height is 20 meter. And after that, this, what is this? This is transmission tower. This is transmission. This is transmission tower. Okay children, and this and the from the bottom of the transmission tower and from the top of transmission tower. This is how the figure is made. It is now the angle of elevation tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 66 degree respectively. Here bottom and the top. So bottom angle, that is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. From the bottom it makes 45 degree. Go through the question. From the bottom it makes 45 degree and from the top it makes 60 degree. Means this angle, bigger angle, is 60 degree. Okay children, this is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. This height we have to find out children. Let it be h. This height means height of the tower. This is transmission tower. This is from here to here, it is given to be 20 meter. Clear? And now let us give the label, that is, let it be A, B, and this is C, and this is point D over here. Let us take point D over here. Okay children. Now What is given? Children, what is given? Here introduce each and everything. Let BD equal to 20 meter be the what is this? Building. What is this? This is building. Building, it is given in the question. From the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmitting tower fixed at the top of high 20 meter high building. Let BD equal to 20 meter be the building. Means we have to introduce each and everything, and DC equal to H meter. DC equal to H meter be the transmission tower. Transmission tower. Clear? And what? Also angle BAD equal to 45 degree. Angle BAC equal to 60 degree. Clear? To find what we have to find, children? We have to find DC. We have to find out what? Find the height of the tower. That is to find DC equal to H. Clear? H equal to this we have to find out. Clear, children? Now let us start. Let us start the things. Now in triangle ABD, angle B equal to 90 degree. Clear, children? This implies that tan 45 degree. Clear? This inside the triangle 45 degree is there. Okay, tan 45 degree equal to, okay, leave it. Tan 45 degree equal to what, children? Tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, that is BD equal to BD upon AB. That is, this is BD upon AB, that is perpendicular upon base. This implies that put the values tan 45 degree equal to 1 equal to what is BD? BD is given to be 20 meter. 20 upon AB is AB only. AB is AB only. So this implies that here you can write down the scenes tan 45 degree equal to 1. Clear? This implies that AB equal to, by cross multiply, the AB equal to 20. AB equal to 20 meter, and that is equation number 1. AB equal to 20 meter. Clear, children? Now again in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. This implies that what? Tan 60 degree in bigger triangle. Children, look at here. In bigger triangle ABC, the acute angle is 60 degree. Okay. In the smaller triangle that was ABD, acute angle was 45 degree. Okay. So tan 60 degree equal to, again, perpendicular upon a hypotenuse, that is BC. That is BC upon bigger perpendicular BC upon AB. Okay, children. Now put the values. Tan 60 degree equal to what? That is under root 3. Tan 60 degree equal to under root 3 equal to BC is how much? What is BC? BC is nothing but, children, BC is 20 plus H. Look at here. BC. What is BC? This is up to here it is 20 meter, and from here to here it is H. Am I right? That is BC equal to BD plus, that is BD plus DC. BC equal to BD plus DC upon AB. This implies that under root, here you can write down since tan 60 degree equal to under root 3. Okay children, see, are you sure of this tan 60 degree under root 3? Okay children, now this is now under root 3 equal to, what is BD? BD is given to be 20 meter plus DC is H, okay, upon AB. AB is how much? AB we have found out to be 20. Clear children? Now this implies that here you can write it from 1, here you can write down from 1, right? This implies that what? This is 20 root 3 equal to 20 plus H. This implies that what is H? This implies that H equal to 20, what is this? H equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Is there any doubt? H equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. This implies that H equal to what? H equal to 20, what? H equal to 20 is taken out and it is root 3 minus 1. And this is meter, and see, H only we had to find out, and this is the answer. H equal to root 3 minus 20 into root 3 minus 1. Okay children, did you understand? So this is how we have to find out. Your question number 7 is over. DC equal to H we have to find out here. H. BC equal to, we have used AB equal to 20 meter from here, and this is BD equal to what? BC equal to, see, BC equal to BD plus DC, and BD is given to be 20 meter and DC is H, and by cross multiplication we have put the value, and H equal to 20 into 20 root 3 minus 1. Okay children, leave it here only, and this is your answer. Now let us move to what? Let us move to the next question. That is, this is again a very much important question. Clear? I hope you have all noted down. Now let us move to the next question. That is question number 8. Question number 8. That is, let us see question number 8. Go through the question children. A statue 1.6 meter tall. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Pedestal means stand. A pedestal is there. Let us take a pedestal. This is the pedestal. Okay children, this is a pedestal, right? This is the pedestal. Statue 1.6 meter tall. Then one statue is there. One statue, symbol of a statue we are making it over here. A statue 1.6 meter tall. This statue is how much tall? 1.6 meter. What is this? This is statue. STATUE. Clear? And tall stands on the top of a pedestal. This is pedestal. 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 On the top of pedestal, from a point on the ground. From a point on the ground, children. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Of the top of the statue means here. Okay, right? And see, so this is line of sight. Clear? So, and this will be horizontal level. Clear children? So angle of elevation from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. Clear? This is how much? 60. This is 60 degree. Okay children, this is 60 degree. And what? And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal, this is top of the statue, and this is top of the pedestal, children. Okay, from the same point, the top of the pedestal, look at here. That is, children, from the top of the pedestal. This is top of the statue, and this is the top of the pedestal. Okay, this is from the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree, and this one is bigger one is what, 60 degree. Did you understand? Did you understand, children? This is 60 degree. Which one? This bigger one. Actually, this is 45 degree, and let it be written like this, 60 degree. Bigger one is 60 degree. Okay, children? Is there any doubt? So let us check it once again. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. From the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. This pedestal's height we have to find out. Is there any doubt? Now let us give the name A, B, C, and this is D. Is there any doubt? Now this, children, now what is given? Let AB be the pedestal, and let BC be, let BC is the pedestal, let BC be the pedestal, and AB equal to, write down, and AB equal to 1.6 meter be the statue. Clear? Also, angle BDC equal to 45 degree. Angle BDC equal to 45 degree, and angle ADC equal to 60 degree. Am I right? Plus, children. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out in question number 8, find the height of the pedestal. Means this pedestal's height, that is BC, let it be H. Meter. Clear? H means to find out the height of the pedestal. Write down, to find height of the pedestal. Pedestal equal to what? BC equal to H. We have to find out. Note down fast, children. Now in triangle. Now in triangle BDC. Angle C equal to 90 degree. What is there? Now let it be what, children? Tan. Here nothing is known. That is tan 45 degree. Here this is smaller angle is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree equal to BC upon DC. This implies that tan 45 degree equal to what? 1 equal to BC is given to be H. BC we have assumed, not given. BC we have assumed as H. That is H upon DC is DC only. Clear? Here you can write down the reason was tan 45 degree equal to 1. This implies that what? DC equal to, by cross multiplication, DC equal to H. What does it mean? DC equal to H, what does it mean? Means this length and this length both are same. Let it be equation number 1. Clear? Again in triangle ACD, angle C equal to 90 degree. This implies that what? tan 60 degree equal to tan 60 degree equal to again perpendicular upon base, that is AC upon DC. Is there any doubt? Perpendicular upon base AC upon DC. This implies that tan 60 degree equal to root 3 equal to what is AC? AC equal to AB plus BC upon DC is what? That is, let it be DC only here. Now put the value here. Under root 3 equal to AB is 1.6, right? Plus BC is H. Children, look at here. AB equal to 1.6, clear? BC equal to H we have assumed, and DC equal to, see, DC equal to here H. DC equal to H again. Here you can write down, here you write down since tan 60 degree equal to root 3, and here BC equal to this, you can write down DC equal to BC, DC equal to BC equal to H from 1. Okay children, this implies that by cross multiplication H root 3 equal to 1.6 plus H. Is there any doubt? H root 3 equal to 1.6 plus H. Now let us move to the next part of the board. This is only few lines are left. Now children, now what is the next step? So where did we leave this? See, H root 3 equal to 1.6 plus H. Now let us see H and H keep together. Clear? That is H into, this implies that H root 3 minus H equal to 1.6. H root 3 minus H. This implies that what? H equal to what? H is taken out, what? That is what? Root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. Clear children? That is, see, if any doubt is there, this is tan 60 equal to root 3, clear? And this is now AB plus BC upon DC, that is root 3. This is what is this? This is root 3, 1.6 plus H, that is BC plus H. H root 3 equal to what? H root 3 equal to this one. So children, look, H into root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. So H equal to 1.6 upon, no problem is there. Children, H root 3 equal to 1.6 plus H. Clear? Is there any doubt? No doubt is there. Okay children, this implies that what do you find? We ultimately we have to find out the value of H. H equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Is there any doubt children? See, now since root is there, so we have to rationalize the denominator. This implies that H equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize the denominator, change the symbol of denominator and multiply it in numerator and denominator both, that is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Okay, this is equal to what will be there? 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon A minus B, A plus B, that is A square minus B square, 3 minus 1. Clear? Here we have used the identity A square minus B square equal to, that is what we have used, A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. Okay children, this implies that H equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay children, now divide this 1.6. Look at here, that is, this implies that H equal to 200, clear, and decimal point and 2 adjust 16, and this is root 3 plus 1. What is this? See, either you write this answer or this is answer. Clear? Still, if you want to simplify it, for this is answer in your textbook. In your textbook, this is the answer. Clear? Right? And what is this? If you want to simplify it more further, then root 3 equal to 1.73. If you want to put the value, you can find out. So, and h equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. This is meter. Okay, children. And that, what is h? What is h? Here, h is the height of the pedestal. This implies that height of the pedestal pedestal equal to BC equal to h equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. That is your answer. Okay, children. Is there any doubt? No doubt is there. Clear? So, children, thus your question number 8 is also finished. Clear? Now video is getting too much larger, children. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.